What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and thank you for coming back to watch another video. Today we are finally picking up Serena's new car. Obviously, if you saw the last video, the Jeep got stolen, so it's no longer here. But yeah, so super excited to go pick this up. I'm actually kind of intrigued to see everyone's reaction to it. Definitely not what people probably expect. I didn't expect it either, and I feel like it'll bring some good content. So stay tuned. I'm just waiting for her to get out of work, and then we're gonna make our way down to Toronto. That's where the dealership is. And I'll meet you guys over there where we pick it up. Hopefully the weather holds up. We had a lot of snow yesterday, so it's on summer tires, obviously. But there's no snow on the ground now. Should be alright. Worst case, I'll drive. But yeah, catch you guys over there. There she is. It used to be clean, but we're in the middle of winter, obviously, so it's not clean anymore. But yeah, 2023 WRX, brand spanking new. And this is the Jeep replacement. So I was gonna do a quick walk around today, and then we're gonna have to break it in. Obviously, I think it calls for about 1,500 kilometers, but we'll do a break-in, and then I'll get some good driving reactions. But this is it. Obviously, the World Rally Blue. I'm actually really liking the color. I didn't think I was gonna like the blue as much as I did in the what I saw in the actual dealership, but yeah. Let me get inside, show you guys the inside. Obviously the interior is a lot better. Let me turn that off. Than the previous year. I'm not sure about the previous model, I haven't seen them too much, but obviously just in general, you got the nice carbon fiber trim here. Stitching. Let me close that properly. So yeah, this is the gauge cluster. Obviously the nice big screen in here. Sorry for the glare, but you got all your basic Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, you still got to set up and whatnot, but yeah, definitely very nice. Yeah, I know a lot of cars have gone to this bigger screen. I like it, honestly. I think it's good size. I feel like it keeps the center console nice and clean. Just not too like buttons everywhere and stuff like that. You still have your buttons, it's not just fully touchscreen, which obviously you still have the controls there, but then you also have your touchscreen for like the heated seats and all that stuff too. But yeah, honestly, it's really nice. You got the nice carbon fiber trim there. Seats are beautiful, nice and soft. The leather on the sides, they're actually really nice. When you sit in them, you definitely get hugged nicely in place. 6-speed manual, obviously. We don't get that CVT, although I did hear that the CVTs in these cars are really good, but that's lame. But yeah, other than that, there's not too much going on in the interior, which is nice. Definitely nice and comfy. Windshield's huge. You have tons of view here. We got the sunroof, all your basic controls up here. But no, honestly, it's really, really nice, especially for what the money is nowadays in the car you're getting. I feel like you can't really go wrong. Obviously, you have the all-wheel drive for winter, which Serena's gonna be driving it all year, so that's gonna come nice. Still got the nice tag over there. Let me get to the back, show you the space back there, which is obviously. Should probably unlock it. Alright, so here's the back. So remember, I'm 6'4", around there, and that's still how much room you have. You got a lot of leg room, so that's beautiful. Obviously something that we were looking for. And then, I don't know how we open the trunk. I don't know if it's back there. Yes, I think it's just on the trunk. Let me open that. And tons of room in here too. So, the hockey stuff is going to be nice and safe. Close that. But yeah, so that's the color. We get a little bit of sunlight right now, so I think it's nice. I'm gonna have to debadge the all-wheel drive and stuff to make it a little bit cleaner and get it a nice wash. She's already rubbing up against it. I'm gonna have to kill it. I was looking at the paint when we actually did the pickup, and it's actually really good. Like, I didn't see any swirls or anything like that, which obviously is annoying when you pick up a new car. And it was sunny when I picked it up, so it's not like I didn't see it in good light. So no scratches or anything like that. It's a huge plus. We did buy the car from Marino Subaru. It's in Toronto. Serena had nothing but good things to say about them. I was there. They're all super nice people, so if you're in the market for a Subaru, check them out. It was definitely a good atmosphere. We did look at, I think, probably 2 other Subarus before that, and actually one the same day that we bought this one. She just stood up and left because some people don't know how to deal with customers. But anyways, it's besides the point. We're not here for ads. But yeah, I drove it for about 10 minutes now, and it's amazing. I actually really liked it. I even texted her saying it's really nice. Kind of just wanted to show the car and show you guys what our final decision was. And that's about it. I'm not going to include much driving in this video. I want to save that for the next one, but I just really have to put this in there because it drives freaking really good. I'm actually genuinely surprised with how good this thing's driving right now. I just wanted to include this in there because it's my first time driving it, so at least you're getting that raw reaction. Yeah, generally very impressed with it. Wanted to come down to Saga Road. For those that live in the GTA, they know how the roads are here. Handles great, but yeah, just wanted to include that. We'll definitely get some more driving with the GoPro on in my next video, so stay tuned for that one. But yeah, so as I mentioned in the last video, if you guys watched it, if not, go watch that. But we did narrow down to a few cars. So the main thing Serena wanted was all-wheel drive and manual. So that already knocks off a million cars. Obviously the first choice would have been an SUV, but only the 2 SUVs that you had that were nice were the Broncos and Jeeps. Didn't want to do Jeep again because obviously it's a headache dealing with this. The theft is crazy right now in the GTA. And then the Broncos were just way too much money. I think it came out to like 65 grand or something like that for just nothing too crazy spec wise. So we started looking at cars. Obviously you get a bit more value for your money, I guess, if you want to say. We narrowed it down to the Golf R and a WRX. So we went and test drove a Golf R. Obviously Serena loved it. We knew that. I warned her when we were going there that she was gonna like it a little too much. But the numbers just didn't really make sense for a used car, especially. It was a 2022. It was almost like 15 grand, even 20 grand more than this. So, and this is brand new, so definitely a really nice car. The Golf Rs, I was surprised. Haven't driven the new ones, so really nice cars. But for the money, a little too much. So then test drove the WRX. She liked it, and we began the hunt. So we went, like I said earlier in this video, we looked at it probably like, I think 3 total. So finally we went to Marino's on the way home from another Subaru. They had a white one on Auto Trader, but when we got there, it wasn't even there. It was a blue one actually, which is this one. We weren't really gonna do the blue. We went and looked at it inside there, worked out the numbers. Honestly, just made sense, and the blue's really nice. Like, obviously it's the same blue, nothing's changed, but it's not what we were looking for, so we weren't really expecting it. But I think she likes it. It's the main thing. I like it, but what are you gonna do? But yeah, so we definitely have some plans for it. First things first is tints. This thing's a freaking fishbowl. It feels weird driving. I don't think I've driven a car that's a fishbowl, like complete, like 0 tints in years. Like maybe when I first got my M4, so in 2016. All my other cars have had tints right off the bat. So, but yeah, definitely gonna get tints first. So that's the first, probably maybe second video we'll do, because I have a feeling it's gonna look really good with the blue as well. So show you guys how that looks. But yeah, other than that, I think that's about it. But yeah, like I said, it's gonna be a super quick video. This one I just wanted to show you what we ended up making our decision with. Hope you guys like it. Leave a comment down below. What do you guys want to see? If you have any questions, I'm brand new to Subaru. I don't know much about them, so I'm gonna have to learn as well. But it handles really well, like I said in that short driving clip. Sounds great. I think I put a cold start video in this one. It sounds good when you're driving as well. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions or what you want to see first, or what you have any suggestions. I know we're gonna get the air oil separator as well, for sure. Definitely gotta keep our our maintenance up to date with Subaru, that's for sure. But we don't have any issues. Manifest good things, alright. But yeah, probably gonna wrap up the video there. Thank you guys for coming back to watch another video. I'm gonna hope to pump out the next one with the full in-depth review and driving POV and all that nonsense with the next video. So stay tuned for that. Make sure if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. We're gonna have a good year this year. Tons of content. Feels good to have another car in the squad here. We're missing it. But yeah, thank you guys as always for coming back to watch another video. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.